Over 30% of adults over 60 suffer from sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. But what if one simple morning habit could change everything? Seniors, eat this every morning to defeat muscle loss. Sarcopenia. Audio. Gentle but energetic music. Cue. 1. What is sarcopenia? Sarcopenia is the gradual loss of muscle mass, strength, and function that begins around age 50, but accelerates after 60. And it's not just about looks. Muscle loss increases the risk of falls, fractures, and even hospitalization. Comparison: active vs inactive older adults. 2. The secret morning food. So what should you be eating every morning? Protein-rich foods, combined with leucine, an essential amino acid proven to trigger muscle repair and growth. Leucine plus protein equals muscle maintenance. Best morning options: Greek yogurt 15-20 g protein, eggs especially with cheese or cottage cheese, whey protein shake with banana or oats, tofu scramble for plant-based option. 3. Why morning matters. Morning protein jump starts muscle protein synthesis for the day. Studies show seniors who consume 25-30 g of protein at breakfast maintain more lean mass. Plate with eggs, yogurt, fruit, toast labeled with protein grams. 4. Bonus nutrients to add. Pair your morning meal with these muscle-loving nutrients. Vitamin D boosts muscle function. Omega-3s helps reduce inflammation and muscle wasting. Creatine increases strength in older adults. Talk to your doctor first. Muscle boosters: vitamin D, omega-3, creatine. 5. What to avoid. Avoid sugary cereals and refined carbs that spike insulin and lead to energy crashes. They do nothing for your muscles and may even accelerate loss. 6. Real-life success. Meet Joan, 67. After adding protein smoothies and eggs to her morning routine, she's gained energy, strength, and no longer feels weak walking upstairs. 7. Wrap up and call to action. It's never too late to fight sarcopenia. Start your day with the right fuel and your muscles will thank you. Eat strong, stay strong, live strong. CTA. If this helped you or someone you love, hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend. And don't forget to check the description for a free senior-friendly breakfast guide. Subscribe button. Related videos. 5 exercises every senior should do. Best supplements for aging muscles.